Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get the API key for Binance. So for that you need to open up Binance and log into your account. After that, go to your profile section, and here you will find this option of API management. Just click on it. Then you will be able to see this option of create API. Just click on it. Then select this option of system generated and click on next. Then provide the name that you want to keep for your API key. After that, click on next and your API key will be created after you provide the code that has been sent to your phone and email. And now you will be able to share this API key, and this API key will be able to help you out sharing it to someone who is an expert in like trading. So they would be trading on your behalf using your funds, but they won't be able to withdraw your funds. So this is how you get the API for Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.